This is the Getting Started with Kahoot video. We're going to look at quizzes today, and in this case I've already created a short quiz, so I'm going to kind of use this as an example. So we're going to look at this random quiz. I'm just going to hit edit so you get the same screen. When you first start, it will prompt you to type in a quiz title. So you can always edit this after the fact. This is just a random quiz. So the first question I'm going to do is I'm going to say, who is this? Now, you do have the option to drag and drop an image. Now, I found an image of Darth Vader, so I went ahead and chose to insert that photo. And underneath, you have Darth Vader. I put Darth Helmet, Dark Guy, and Frank Zappa. Okay, now, as a default, it will show all of these as incorrect at the very beginning. When you click on correct, that prompts it to say that is the correct answer. So that's how the scoring will work. Now, the second question, I kind of did the same thing. I said, which one of these books did not feature this character? So again, I added a picture, and underneath I have The Hobbit, The Return of the King, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, and Lord of the Rings. So again, I just hit correct, and again, over here, let's see which of the following movies was not a book. So I had these books down here, and I hit correct. Let's go ahead though. We're going to hit add a question. I'm going to walk you through this process. Okay, so over here, I'm going to say, what animal is this? Okay, now over here, where it says drag and drop an image, I found an image of a dog. So I'm just going to drag and drop this over here. And you're going to notice the minute I drag and drop that, if you don't like dragging and dropping, notice you also have the ability to click and add a file. Oh, it's too big of a file. Okay, so let me edit this photo real quick. Let's see this. We will just hit adjust size for 1 second. So let's go to, well, let's just move this to 30. That'll work. All right. So sorry about that. Normally you won't have to do that step. I usually have large size images, so here's this dog picture. Let's try it again. All right, so there's our dog picture. So I'm going to just say cat. Let's see, an elephant, dog, or chicken. Oops. All right. Then you just hit correct. And then in our little situation, we will say, notice you have points per question if you want. You can give no points if you want as well. We will hit save and continue. And now you'll see that I've got 3 images on this. One does not have an image. Okay, we will hit save and continue once more. Again, we have this little option here. We will put our language as English for this situation. Now, here you can do it either private or public. So in our situation, I'm going to make it private just because this is basically just for testing purposes. You can go school, university, any of these things. We're just going to go school for right now. And for description, I'm going to say a random test. You can do beginner, intermediate, advanced. If you're going to make it public, the tags are very helpful. For right now, I'm just going to hit save and continue. If you want to drag and drop an image over here, we'll do this. We're just going to throw this little dog picture over here, just so you know what you can do. You also have the ability down here to actually embed a video. So if you wanted at the very beginning for the students or whoever to be watching a video as everyone is trying to join your game, you could do that very same thing. Okay, so I'm going to hit done right now, and we're going to go ahead and hit play now, just so you kind of see what's going on here. So we're going to do a random quiz, and let's go ahead. We're going to choose this random order of questions. We're going to do that, and we're also going to do the random order of answers here, and let's go ahead and do that. All right. So in a second, it's going to pop up with this PIN number. So we see it's 236420. 236420. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter there. And for nickname, I'm going to type in nickname. I'm going to hit OK, go. And you're going to notice right off the bat we have one person. And just for purposes on this, let's go ahead. We're going to try this to Kahoot.it. We're going to create one more. 236420. If I remember right, that was the right number. Let's make sure that was the right number. Yep, 236420. And on this one, we're going to do nickname 2. All right, so we've got 2 kids in now. So we're going to look at this. See nickname 2. So for the purpose of this, let's go ahead and hit start. Now, this is a speed game. So whoever gets this first should be able to get more points on this. All right, so we're going to do this. Let's say that the matrix, this person, oops, I lied. You have to wait for this one. So matrix over here, and on this one, let's go ahead, click on the wrong answer. Okay, notice if you click on the wrong answer, it tells you that you got the wrong number of points. It tells you how many points you are behind. And let's go ahead, hit next on this little test. So our next little question here, who is this? Okay, we're going to help out this guy over here now. All right, so as soon as this one loads, okay, the first option over here, there we go, Darth Vader. All right, so this one got it right. This one also got it right. And we're going to see we got 2 people that got it right. When we hit next, it's now going to show us that nickname 2 is catching up. All right, what animal is this? All right, so over here, usually because I'm using the same browser, it's why it's going a little slow. This person got it wrong this time. Oh, all right. All right. All right, so this person knew it. And over here, we're going to wait for a second. This person did not know it. Okay. So now you can kind of see it gives you the results. So we can hit end, tells you who got it right, and we can also do feedback and results. Oops. We can get the final results here. If you want to download them, you can save results. You can send it directly to your Google Drive if you want. Or you can download, it'll save it as a CSV file for you too. All right, and that's the basics of the quiz.